is going on, my nerd army guys? It is time once again for another RWBY reaction. So guys, this is going to be my reaction to RWBY Volume 2, Chapter number 3, and this is going to be, the title of this video is A Minor Hiccup. So I'm really excited to get into this, guys. I've really enjoyed the first couple episodes of Volume number 2, and I'm excited to see what else we get. So guys, let's get into it without further ado. Here we go! Can't get over how much I like this intro. So good. What do you guys think about this intro? Do you love it? I fucking think it's dope.
So, Weiss, I was thinking after this, maybe we could go grab a bite to eat. And, I've got 2 tickets to that new Bruce Willis movie if you want to make the trip to Vail.
Wow.
I hear it's awesome. And then maybe after that we could study together.
What the fuck is this? The teacher saying?
And then timed that one wrong, I guess. Well, the stunning conclusion to the story will have to wait until next time.
Weiss, did you hear me?
No, yes. One day.
One day. Oh, man.
I thought that class would never end. Alright guys, today's the day. The investigation begins! I'm glad to see we're taking this so seriously. Hey, we've got a plan. That's moderately serious.
I'm digging the uniform
Everyone
change.
remember their roles? You and I will head to the CCT to check the Schnee records for any other dust robberies or inconsistencies. Seeing as I'm in the family, it shouldn't be a problem. Delightful his regular faction meetings to hand out orders and recruit new members. If I can get in, I can hopefully find out what they're planning. I have an old friend on the shady side of town that typically knows everything going on in Vail. Getting information out of him shouldn't be too hard. Great, we'll meet up tonight near Yang to go over what we found. Let's do this!
Yeah.
Son, how did you get up there?
It's easy. I do it all the time.
You do what?
I climb trees all the time. So, are we finally getting back at that torture guy?
We are going to investigate the situation as a team. Sorry, son, we don't want to get friends involved if we don't have to.
That's dumb. You should always get friends involved. That's why I brought Neptune.
So, how did you even get up here?
I have my ways. Seriously though, can I come in? We're really high up right now.
Alright, I'll go with Weiss. Son, you can go with Blake. And Neptune, you can go with Yang since she doesn't have a partner. Everyone good? Actually, RWBY, why don't you go with Yang? After all, she is your sister. But Weiss, who would go with you then? Well, I guess Neptune could come with me.
Oh.
Nah. But...
I love that shit.
I forget how big the transmit tower looks up close. You should see the one in Atlas. That was the first one, right? Correct. Atlas developed the cross-continental transmit system to allow the 4 kingdoms to communicate with one another. It was their gift to the world after the Great War. Ooh, look at me. My name is Weiss. I know facts. I'm rich. Don't be a pest. Besides, the only reason we're here is because you like the tower so much. We could have just as easily made a call from the library. I know, but it's so cool. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture.
What the hell? That's how you get the Spider-Man edition phones. You break shit.
You dropped this. Penny?
Fucking Penny's
Where
back.
have you been? We haven't seen you since the night at the docks. Sorry, I think you're confused. I've got to go. What was that about? I don't know, but I'm going to find out. You go make your call. I'll meet up with you later.
Catch that crazy bitch.
Penny, where have you been? It's been weeks. There seems to be a misunderstanding. What?
Bitch, don't lie.
Penny, is everything okay? Penny, please stop. Look, I don't know what's wrong, but you have to listen to me. Those guys we fought at the docks, we think they're up to something big, something bad. I need you to tell me what happened to you that night. Please, as a friend.
Come on.
It isn't safe to talk here.
Pidgey Weiss, you don't let Ruby go alone. She's got the fucking Terminator with her, though. That's pretty cool.
Hello, welcome to the CCT. How may I help you?
I'd like to go to the communications room, please.
Absolutely. Could you please place your scroll on the terminal to verify your identity? Perfect. Thank you, Miss Schnee. Welcome to the Beacon Cross Continental Transmit Center. How may I help you?
I need to make a call to Schnee Company World Headquarters in Atlas.
Absolutely. If you could head over to Terminal 3, I'll patch you through.
Thank you.
That's fucking cool.
Hi, Mom. How are things back in Signal?
Thank you for calling the Atlas. Oh, Miss Schnee. Good afternoon. Would you like me to patch you
Go.
through to your father? I think your sister Winter might be here as well.
No, thank you. I was actually wondering if you could find some files for me. I've compiled a short list.
I see. If you don't mind, what may I ask is this for?
School project.
There are some sensitive documents on this list, ma'am.
Well then, I'll be sure to treat them with care.
Right. Very well. The data's being transferred to your scroll now.
Wonderful. That will be all then.
Are you sure you wouldn't like me to patch you through to your father before you go?
Yes, I'm sure.
Well then, have a nice day.
Fuck Daddy. I don't need his ass. I don't even know. Is her dad cool? Oh, look at this Terminator.
I wish I could help you, Ruby, but I don't know anything about those men. Well, what happened to you that night? We were all together and then you just disappeared. Were you kidnapped? Oh, no, nothing like that. Well, then where did you go? I've never been to another kingdom before. My father asked me not to venture out too far, but you have to understand, my father loves me very much. He just worries a lot. Believe me, I know the feeling. But why not let us know you were okay? I was asked not to talk to you. Or Weiss, or Blake, or Yang. Anybody, really. Was your dad that upset? No, it wasn't my father.
The A3130 has been the standard security norm of women for several years. And they have done a fine job. Wouldn't you agree? Wouldn't you agree? But the Kingdom of Atlas is a kingdom of innovation. And fine? Well, that's just not good enough, is it? Presenting the Elysian Knight. 200. Smarter, sleeker, and admittedly, a little less scary. These models will become active later this year, but they won't be alone.
Oh,
The Atlesian military has always supported the idea of removing men from the dangers of the battlefield. However, there are still many situations that undoubtedly require a human touch.
Ruby.
So, our kingdom's greatest minds, in cooperation with the Schnee Dust Company, are proud to introduce the Atlesian Paladin.
what the fuck?
Now, we couldn't have them here for you today, but these mechanized battleships will be seen defending the borders of our kingdom within the year.
Shit, those are big ass robots.
Maybe we should go somewhere else. Penny? Wait, where are you going?
Terminator's running. Get the fuck out of there. Oh shit. Just got real. Yes. Gonna see some ass whooping.
Down here. She went this way.
Yeah, come, chase her. Get her. Get that bitch. Come on. Run, motherfucker, run. Oh shit. Take it out, Ruby. There we go. Oh shit. Almost took yourself out.
This way.
Oh, motherfucker. Oh, that was dope.
Penny?
Yeah,
Are
Penny's
you
a bad
okay?
bitch.
Did you see that?
Do you think she's okay?
Penny, come back!
Can you call the police? Did she stop that with her bare hands?
That was dope.
Penny, please. What is going on? Why are you running? How did you do that? I can't. Everything's fine. I don't want to talk about it. Penny, if you can just tell me what's wrong, I can help you. No. You wouldn't understand. Let me try. You can trust me.
Give her a chance.
You're my friend, right? You promise you're my friend? I promise. Ruby, I'm not a real girl.
Duh.
Oh.
She's a Terminator. She was sent back by John Connor. Okay. Ooh. Okay, guys, so chapter number 3 is in the books. That was a cool episode. They're out looking and investigating on their own, like in teams, and Weiss wants to go with Neptune, but Ruby's like, no. So I love that part. And then a really cool part was the Terminator. Yeah. Well, she's back. I'm going to call her a Terminator, guys, because when I first saw that chick, like, when Penny first used her powers and, like, opened up her back open and shit, I knew she was kind of weird. I wasn't sure. Maybe a robot, but damn, she just fucked shit up. She was dropping fucking helicopters and shit. It was crazy. So, we got to see a little bit more into Penny. That was really cool. But, guys, let me know what you guys thought about this episode. I love this episode. It was good. Let me know what you guys thought about it down in the comments down below. Make sure you guys hit that like, thumbs up button on this video if you enjoyed it. And guys, I will be doing more RWBY reactions every single day, guys. So make sure to subscribe to keep up. Thank you very much for tuning in. I'm Andrew. You have been watching Nerds Merized. Peace out. If you liked the video you just saw, make sure you rate it with that big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so you can check out all the other nerdy videos we have just like this one. Also check out my Patreon account and become a patron if you'd like for access to exclusive content.